be so simple with you. Yeah. Our future's looking permanent like a tattoo. 'Cause I've been daydreaming about our journey. Two-stepping, ain't in a hurry. I leave flowers by your bedside. 'Cause I know that I wake up to you every day. I never ever plan to be away from you. From this world to the next. Believe me when I say that it's you.
Oh, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You look gorgeous. You know that? I can't wait to marry you.
I can't wait to marry you.
Tomorrow, today I'm thinking that you should hold on tight.
I'm so honored to stand in front of you and everyone today to mark such an incredible moment for the two of you. You're about to embark on a major next step together that would not be possible without the love and the dedication that you have both given to each other over the last several years. From New York to California to Philadelphia to Maryland, and here on your wedding day, you've made it to this day. So I want you both to just soak up this moment.
I can't think of any place I'd rather be. 'Cause when you time stands still.
From the start of our relationship, I've told you that you are the cute smiley face weight at the bottom of my balloon, and it still holds true. As the balloon, I push you towards spontaneity, and as the weight, you act as my rock and ground me with your practicality and rationality. I lift you up to become a dreamer, and you guide me back home with stability and your absurdly great sense of direction. What I've not mentioned to you before is how grateful I am for all the times you have stepped in to be my balloon. Sam Abraham Ruan, you are the man of my dreams. You introduced me to what it means to be truly head over heels, madly in love. You are the best years of my life. You are the first person I want to call with the good or the bad. You are my future, you are my heart, you are my best friend, and you are my other half. You make my life happier, more exciting, more adventurous, more fun, and filled with more love than I ever thought possible. I vow to continue to tell you how much I love you whenever I feel it, which just so happens to be every day, multiple times a day. I vow to support you in any and all endeavors. I vow to continue being your #1 fan, which is easy because I truly believe you will always succeed when you put your mind to something. I vow to prioritize you, your needs, and your emotions. I vow to be patient no matter how many sneaker deliveries arrive at our door. I vow to stay silly and keep our relationship and lives fun because it's going to be so fun to be your wife.
Nice.
I vow to be a shoulder to cry on even when you can't shed a tear. We always say life is short, but no matter how short or long it happens to be, I just know I want to spend the rest of mine with you. I vow to love you forever and be the best wife I can possibly be. I will say I do to anything as long as it means I can do those things with you.
Olivia, from the day I first met you at the Jefferson Street subway stop, off the L train in Brooklyn, New York for our first date, I knew that you were unique and someone that would change my life for the better. 6 years and 3-ish months later, I'm still extremely confident in that same feeling I had back then. From New York to Los Angeles, great time spent together with our families during the pandemic, trips taken all over Europe, the Caribbean, and Central America, or even just a typical lazy Sunday at our apartment in Marina del Rey, the one constant has always been the love we share for each other. Livy, you have an incredible, contagiously positive outlook on life, shine no matter what the circumstances, are always quick-witted with a joke to make me laugh, and are my true voice of reason when I need you the most. You have the biggest heart imaginable, the warmest smile, and are my true partner, lover, best friend, confidant, and soulmate in this life. To put it simply, you're the one. I vow to be there for you whenever you need me, in your darkest hour and on your brightest day. I promise to support you throughout your many endeavors and ensure that our lives as husband and wife are fun, spontaneous, and full of incredible, enriching experiences. I also promise to hear you out on any difficult decisions we have to make and be the best rock possible to your ever-flying balloon. Most importantly, I vow to make sure that you get enough tickles and head rubs on the couch, because I know that's what you need most. Above anything else, I vow to continue loving you unconditionally every day for who you are, who you have been, and who you will become as we grow together. I love you so much, Olivia, and I can't wait to embark on this new adventure together as husband and wife.
Sam, do the honors. Sam and Olivia, by the power vested in me by the state of California, it is with immense happiness that I pronounce you as husband and wife. Sam, you already have the kisser again.
To get you back to my place, up all night in this place. All of my wrongs can be right when you are here. All of the past is gone. All of the ways that I hurt you, I know I was wrong. Show me a stay.
Sam, you were the final missing piece in our family. You really solidified it with your incredible impressions of my mom and Bruce. But truthfully, I knew when I saw how all of the things Olivia has always thought were flaws were the parts of her you embraced and taught her to love even more.
Watching you two grow together has been truly incredible, and I'm lucky to call both of you my best friend. You're the perfect team, and I can't wait to see where life takes you. So tonight, let's raise a glass to lovers and to Sam and Liv.
This is like the perfect couple. This is kind of the mold that you don't break the mold right here. And I wish the two of you, we wish the two of you endless years of happiness and bring on some more grandkids.
ברוך אתה אדוני, אלוהינו מלך העולם, אשר קידשנו במצוותיו, בורא פרי הגפן.